Hello, my friends. Welcome to English Cubby. Today I want to share something with you. This is my story. It is about how I learned English. My name is David. I am 45 years old now. But this story begins when I was 28. At that time, I couldn't speak English. I tried many times before, but I always stopped. I bought books, but never opened them. I downloaded apps, but deleted them after 1 week. I watched English movies, but only read the subtitles. I told myself, English is too hard. I am too old. I don't have time. These were my excuses. But they were lies. I was afraid. I was lazy. And I was wasting my chance. Then something happened. One day at work, a new manager came. She spoke only English. Everyone in the office could talk to her, except me. I sat at my desk feeling small. I felt invisible. When she asked questions in meetings, I stayed quiet. I had good ideas, but no words to share them. Other people got opportunities. They got better projects, but not me. I went home that evening and looked in the mirror. I asked myself, how long will you hide? That question hurt me, but it also woke me up. I decided that night, I will learn English. Not tomorrow, not next month, now. I didn't know how, but I knew I had to start. I made a promise to myself. Every day I will do something in English. Just one small thing. That was my only rule. The next morning, I started. I was nervous but excited. I opened my old English book. It was covered in dust. I read 1 page. Just 1 page. The words were simple. Hello, my name is David. I live in the city. I read it 10 times. I said it out loud. My pronunciation was bad, but I didn't care. I was learning. That feeling was beautiful. The second day, I added something new. I listened to an English song. I didn't understand all the words, but I tried. I read the lyrics. I sang along quietly. My voice was shy, but I kept going. Music made learning fun. It made English feel alive, not like homework. On day 3, I wrote in English. I took a notebook and wrote 5 sentences about my day. Today, I woke up at 7. I ate breakfast. I went to work. I felt happy. I am learning. The sentences were short and simple, but they were mine. I created them. That made me proud. I continued like this every day. Some days I wanted to stop. I felt tired after work. I thought my progress was too slow. But I remembered my face in the mirror. I remembered feeling invisible at work. I didn't want to feel that way again. So I opened my book. I listened to 1 song. I wrote 5 sentences. Small steps, but every day. After 1 month, something changed. I understood more words. When I watched TV, I could catch some English phrases. When I walked past English signs, I could read them. My brain was waking up. It was learning to think in a new way. This gave me energy. I wanted to learn more. I made learning English part of my life. During breakfast, I listened to English podcasts. On the bus to work, I read English stories on my phone. During lunch break, I practiced speaking with myself. People thought I was strange, but I didn't care. I had a goal. At night, before sleeping, I reviewed what I learned that day. I wrote new words in my notebook. I repeated sentences until they felt natural. I also made mistakes. Many mistakes. I said, "I go to work yesterday," instead of, "I went to work yesterday." I confused he and she. I forgot words in the middle of sentences. But I learned that mistakes are not bad. They are teachers. Every mistake showed me what to study next. So I stopped being afraid of mistakes. I welcomed them. After 6 months, I spoke my first full conversation in English. It was with a tourist who was lost. He asked me for directions. My heart beat fast, but I answered. I used my hands. I spoke slowly. But he understood me. He smiled and said, "Thank you so much." Those simple words made me feel like I won a prize. I helped someone using English. That moment showed me my progress was real. I kept going. I found language exchange partners online. I talked with people from other countries. They helped me improve. I helped them learn my language. We became friends. Learning became social. It became fun. I looked forward to our conversations every week. 1 year after I started, my manager asked me to join an important meeting. She needed someone to translate. My hands shook, but I said yes. During the meeting, I translated between English and my language. I wasn't perfect, but I did it. After the meeting, my manager thanked me. She said, "You've improved so much." Those words meant everything to me. I worked hard for them. Now, 5 years later, I use English every day. I read English books. I watch English videos without subtitles. I write emails to international clients. I even teach basic English to my younger brother. The language that once scared me is now my friend. It opens doors I never knew existed. It gave me confidence. It changed my career and my life. Looking back, I am thankful for that difficult day at work. It hurt, but it pushed me to change. Pain can be a good teacher if we listen to it. I am also thankful I started with small steps. I didn't try to learn everything in one day. I just did one thing, then another, then another. Those small things added up to something big. So, my friend, I want to tell you something. If you are learning English now, keep going. If you want to start but feel scared, start anyway. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need expensive courses. You just need to begin. Read one sentence today. Listen to one song. Write 5 words. Do something small, but do it every day. Don't stop. Some days will feel easy. Some days will feel impossible. You will forget words. You will make grammar mistakes. You will feel frustrated. That's normal. Every learner feels this way. But the difference between success and failure is simple. Successful learners don't quit. They keep going, even when it's hard. They trust the process. They believe in small steps. I want you to make a promise to yourself right now. Promise that you will do one small thing in English every day. It can be reading, writing, listening, or speaking. Just one thing. Write this promise in your notebook. Look at it every morning. Let it guide you. Remember why you want to learn English. Maybe you want a better job. Maybe you want to travel. Maybe you want to make new friends. Maybe you want to feel proud of yourself. Whatever your reason, keep it in your heart. When learning feels hard, think about your reason. It will give you strength to continue. You have everything you need to succeed. You have time. You have this channel to help you. You have your determination. Don't waste these gifts. Use them. Start today, not tomorrow, today. One day, maybe 1 year from now, you will look back. You will see how far you came. You will remember this moment when you decided to try, and you will smile. You will thank yourself for starting. You will be proud of your progress. I believe in you. I know you can do this because I did it. I was just like you. I was afraid. I made excuses. But I started anyway, and it changed everything. So, let's learn together. Let's grow together. Let's make English our friend, one small step at a time. Thank you for listening to my story. Thank you for being here. And thank you for choosing to learn. Now close this video and do one small thing in English. Read something. Write something. Say something out loud. Just start. Your journey begins now. Good luck, my friend. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to English Cubby. It means a lot to me. I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.